Are you ready to light up your Hanukkah celebrations with some dazzling DIY decor? Wondering how to add a personal touch to your home this festive season? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into creative and budget-friendly DIY Hanukkah decoration ideas that will make your home sparkle like the menorah itself. How can I create DIY window decorations for Hanukkah? Windows are the perfect canvas to showcase your festive spirit. Here's how you can jazz them up. 1. Menorah window decals. Create reusable decals using contact paper and markers. Place them on your windows to let the light shine through. 2. Dreidel sun catchers. Craft dreidels using colored tissue paper and clear contact sheets. Hang them on windows for a vibrant display. 3. LED string lights. Shape blue or white LED lights into a menorah or Star of David on your window. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative DIY ideas like these. What DIY table decor ideas are perfect for Hanukkah? Transform your table into a festive masterpiece with these simple yet elegant ideas. 1. Gilded dreidel. Place settings. Spray paint dreidels in gold or silver and use them as napkin holders or place card weights. 2. Hanukkah table runner. Make your own runner using blue and silver fabric, or decorate a plain one with painted stars and menorah designs. 3. Centerpiece with candles. Fill glass vases with blue marbles or silver ornaments and place candles inside for a glowing effect. Want more inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description for similar videos. How can I use everyday items for DIY Hanukkah decorations? You don't need fancy materials to create stunning decorations. Repurpose these everyday items. 1. Mason jar lanterns. Fill mason jars with LED lights or candles and decorate with ribbon or stickers. 2. Tinfoil star ornaments. Cut stars from cardboard, cover them with tinfoil and hang them on walls or doors. 3. Candy dreidel display. Stack wrapped candies to form dreidels and use them as table decor or party favors. Want to recreate these? Check out the product links in the description below. How can I make a DIY menorah centerpiece? The menorah is the heart of Hanukkah, and crafting your own centerpiece can make it even more meaningful. Here's how. 1. Upcycled elegance. Use glass bottles, jars, or candlesticks. Paint them in blue, white, or gold, and arrange them on a tray for a modern look. 2. Nature-inspired touch. Use a wooden plank or branch as the base. Add candle holders and surround them with greenery or faux snow for a rustic vibe. 3. Kids' creativity. Let your kids paint or decorate a cardboard menorah. Add LED candles for a safe and fun twist. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. What are some outdoor DIY decorations for Hanukkah? Extend the festive vibes to your yard or balcony with these ideas. 1. Illuminated menorah. Use PVC pipes or sticks to construct a large menorah. Decorate with string lights or LED candles. 2. Starry lights display. Hang strings of blue and white lights in the shape of a Star of David across your fence or balcony. 3. Outdoor dreidel wreath. Make a wreath using faux greenery, ribbons, and painted dreidels. Did you enjoy these outdoor ideas? Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your neighbors. What DIY crafts can kids make for Hanukkah? Keep the little ones entertained with these fun and easy crafts. 1. Handprint menorahs. Use paint and paper to create menorah designs using kids' handprints. 2. Dreidel ornaments. Cut dreidel shapes from cardboard, let kids paint them, and hang them as ornaments. 3. Hanukkah-themed slime. Mix blue and silver glitter into slime for a festive sensory activity. Find more similar videos in the description below to keep the creativity flowing. What are some DIY wall decorations for Hanukkah? Wall decorations can instantly brighten up your space for Hanukkah. Here are some ideas. 1. Paper Star of David garland. Cut out stars from blue and white cardstock, punch holes, and string them together. Hang them across your living room or above your dining table. 2. Hanukkah banner. Create a banner with the words Happy Hanukkah using felt or paper. Add glitter or sequins for a festive flair. 3. Photo collage wall. Print family photos from past Hanukkahs and arrange them in the shape of a menorah or dreidel. Got a favorite wall decor idea? Let us know in the comments below. From menorah centerpieces to outdoor displays, Hanukkah is the perfect time to let your creativity shine. With these DIY decoration ideas, you're all set to add a personal and festive touch to your celebrations. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.